Golden wings, let's check it out. Take a quick look. Okay, y'all, I'll sit right there. Other one? Thank you very much, sir. Look at this, man. Thank you. Look at this, man. Word is born, y'all. We about to go in. What's going on, family? We are here in the north side of Newark, New Jersey, and we're here at request of D Sweet. Thanks, D Sweet. She said, look, Matt, welcome back to Newark, and there's a new spot, Golden Wings. There's a new Golden Wings, fish and chicken, brand new. Spot looks real nice, man. It looks nice and clean. Got the brick face, got the yellow and the red, traditional Golden Wing stuff. Let's go in here and get some fish and wings. Check it out. Golden Wings back there, north side of Newark. Let's get it. Let's check it out, y'all. I feel like I'm on the Golden Wings red carpet right now. It feel like we're on the Golden Wings red carpet, y'all. Let's go in here. They may even have seating in here. I don't want to sit inside though. Let's check it out. Yo, they got a little music playing. We're gonna get by it. Ooh, how you doing, brother? They got the cakes here, man. Got the cakes, banana pudding. I'm hungry, man. I'm getting wings and fish. You got shrimp? Yeah. Oh, jump. 4, 5 wings, shrimp. I'm gonna get that right there. Let's take a quick look. Okay, y'all. I'll sit right there. All right, y'all. We got our food. We gonna go outside to the car and eat this joint. You know why I love Newark, man? Because my man got pineapples right here. He's just giving away. He said he got too many. Let's check this one. Other one? Thank you very much, sir. Look at this, man. Thank you. Let it ripen a little bit. Look, y'all thought this was a game. Y'all thought this was a game. He gave me some red velvet cake. Red velvet cake. It's a little chilly. It was in the refrigerator. We're gonna eat that later. I got hot sauce and all types of sauces in here. But just hot sauce and hot pepper sauce. That's it. Let's check this out. I got the soda. I put it in the car. Look at this, man. Word is born, y'all. We about to go in. How y'all doing? What's happening? We got wings, we got shrimp, we got fish. Look at this fish, y'all. It look like that whiting right there, yo. See that whiting? See that whiting right there? You guys subscribe? Oh yeah, man. I'm on YouTube. I thought they were subscribers, man. This look good. They about to be. No, you type it. It's YouTube, Matt, M-A-T-T. Space DV on YouTube.
Oh, that shit smell good.
Yo, y'all been there yet?
What?
Golden Wings.
Oh, no.
That's new. 30 days they've been there. Yeah, I'm doing the review. It's gonna be on that channel. Yeah. Yo, we about to go in. Nice, hot, fresh. But you know what? My brother, thanks. I appreciate you guys. You know that's good, but I'm gonna be honest, it needs a little bit more flavor. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's really good, man. It tastes really fresh. I gotta put some hot sauce on it though. I can work with the fish. The fish looks so evenly square though, right? Some of y'all help me out. Don't it look evenly square? But that's real fish though. It got the skin on it. That's whiting. I want another piece though. That's for sure. I want another piece of that fish, man. That's good. I like that. I said I was hungry, and I'm enjoying this fish. Look at that fish. Where my napkins at? Oh, man. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go into these shrimp. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on them first thing. Let's check it out. See the shrimp? You know what? Should I put hot sauce on them first? They're really greasy. I like the shrimp. Okay. They have a nice sweet flavor to these shrimp. These are shrimp, y'all. They not shrimp, they shrimp. I love the shrimp. The fish is good, but I love the shrimp. I like fried shrimp though. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on that one, y'all. Let's get it up, get it up. That's good stuff. Hold up. Look at that shrimp. Still got the boo-boo in there. See that boo-boo? Somebody gonna say, that ain't boo-boo, that's the vein. That's boo-boo. Vein boo-boo. Here we go, y'all. Let's go for the chicken wings. I'm gonna put hot sauce all over the chicken wings, all right? That's one packet. I need 2 packets. I'm gonna put that there. You see that cat was walking by and gave me a pineapple. And I had a flashback, right? You know how we used to go trick-or-treating and your mother be like, y'all gotta let me check that candy before y'all start eating it. It's like, all right, Mom, check the candy. I'm not gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it later. You gotta do this now because we wanna eat our Halloween candy. What up, my man? How you doing? Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate you. My man. Here we go, let's go into it. Got them chicken wings, they smaller wings, y'all. They smaller wings. Y'all know I love the flats. Let's check it out. Got that hot sauce on there too. Two thumbs up, golden wings, fish and chicken. I know somebody gonna ask me, is it better than Ambassadors? I say it's running neck and neck with Ambassadors ahead a little. This one don't have much hot sauce on it. You know how some people say the wings are too salty? And these are not too salty. Give me a second. I wanted to really get into that batter. I like it, they're good. Another one down. I'm gonna eat another flat. Some of y'all gonna be like, I didn't eat my fries. I gotta try the fries. The fries look good, man. They look like they were really cooked well. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. You know what? I do have some ketchup. I'm gonna put some ketchup on it. What's up, young lady? We're gonna put some ketchup on this one. Huh? No, I don't. Thank you. Yeah, this is my car. So, y'all, this is actually Newark. My sister right there hustling her bus cards. They look like one-trip cards. We in the hood. These fries are sneaking up on me. I like the fries, y'all. Believe that? All right now. Yeah. Okay. Let us know. Let us know. I like the fries. Let me get something to drink. Look, y'all, that dude gave me a pineapple earlier. That joker big, look. That pineapple's big. I'm gonna let it sit and ripe. It's a Del Monte. Where'd he get this pineapple from? These French fries are really hitting, right? Y'all know I don't really like fries that much, but they hitting. They are, man, good. I'm happy. I'm gonna do some scales. I gotta get my soda. I'm gonna do a scale of 1 to 10. Soda even ice cold. I don't know if y'all noticed. I got my plastic piece from Loudmouth, New Yorker here on the car. I know it's supposed to go on the steering wheel, but I'm outside right now. This is what I want to do. I'm gonna eat the rest of these shrimp. Those French fries are really good too. I'm gonna give them, compared to like all the other spots too. What is this, y'all? What is this piece? Hold up, wait a minute. I'm gonna give them an 8, okay? I'm gonna give this spot right here, this location, an 8. Because they got me with the fries, they got me with the shrimp, the wings are very good, and the fish is very good. I like the color on the fry too. The way they fried it. I gave them an 8. You had them already? That's about right, an 8, right? These shrimp, man, I love the shrimp, y'all. The total was $14.99. The wind just blew and blew all the empty packets back on top of the food. Is that cross-contaminated? All the bones. I'm happy, y'all. I'm dancing. I still got that cake. I gotta taste the cake before I go. Look at this, man. Look at that cake. That joker look good. It look good, y'all. It look real good. That look real good. Let's go into it just a little bit. Look at that cake. Got the cream on that side. That tastes like that. That cream cheese creamy. Oh, it's moist at the bottom too, where it's just was sitting there on the plastic plate. That's real good. I like the moistness in it. It is not dry. See, I wasn't supposed to eat this much. They about to go up to a 9 with the cake. Look at that. I need milk now. I really need milk, man. I'm gonna wipe this up. That's good. I'm happy, y'all. So we're gonna eat this later tonight. I got a lot left, man, and I still have a piece of fish here left. But anyway, this your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat now. I love all of y'all. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Thanks for always staying tuned. Signing off from Newark, New Jersey, and on to the next one. Peace. Hey, my man, thank you. For y'all that thought I didn't have napkins, I got plenty of napkins. Who know how to fry chicken? Let's open up a fried chicken spot in the hood. Who down? Who down? Who down? No panhandle. I ain't never seen that sign before. $50 fine.